If you want to improve sound quality on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Then in settings, you want to open the sound and vibration. Then we're gonna scroll down in here and you want to choose sound effects. Now the first thing is the choice between Dolby Atmos and Xiaomi sound. Now I guess it's safe to assume that Dolby Atmos is generally speaking better, at least for most people. But what you can do is, of course, you can play a song or something that you listen to quite often, and then you can switch between one and another to try to find a difference. And maybe you will like, for example, Xiaomi sound more than Dolby Atmos, if you can even hear a difference, of course. Besides that, you can also use the graphic equalizer, which is also a great tool to improve the quality of the sound on your phone. Now here, once again, you want to listen to something while making all of these changes, so you can hear these changes straight away. Of course, we can start by using these different presets. If you don't know how this equalizer works and what it exactly does, then you can just stick with presets over here, and then you can just choose whichever sounds the best for you. Of course, everyone has a different taste, so you might find different presets better than other. I personally like the rock preset, and I think it's my favorite, but I know that some people might not like it. That's why I'm not actually telling you to straight up just use this one and nothing else. It's more like suitable for everyone, so if you want to, you can of course play a song or something, and then you can go through these presets one by one, slowly change between them, and then you can pick whichever is your favorite. And of course, if you know how to use the equalizer, if you know what these frequencies do and how it affects when you adjust the loudness of each frequency, then of course you can try to create your own preset. Of course, if anything goes wrong, you can always reset the custom preset to 0, and then you can go back to one of these standard presets that works as well. And there is also the immersive sound option, which apparently allows you to experience immersion and sense of space when audio is played. I'm not sure how exactly it works. I mean, what is the difference when this option is on or off? But I can assume that the best difference is when you actually use earbuds or headphones. This is why you might not be able to hear the difference if you use the loudspeaker instead. But of course, feel free to try if you like it or not. And that is pretty much it. You should be able to adjust the sound to your needs and make it better if you just go through these sound effect settings. Leave a like and subscribe.